Hey everyone, welcome to Dhule. This awesome city is right in the heart of Maharashtra, India. And we're about to show you all the cool things it has to offer. Dhule isn't your typical tourist spot. It's a place where history comes alive and the culture is bursting with color. It's about 300 kilometers from Mumbai, and it's a place of contrasts. You'll find old and new things blending together in a really cool way. Trust me, this is a trip you won't forget. Dhule is like a meeting point in Maharashtra. Important roads like National Highways 3 and 6 cross here, making it a busy spot for trade and travel. This city is tough. It can handle the super hot summers and the heavy monsoon rains. The people here know how to deal with these changes. They've learned to live with nature and make the best of it. It might seem like a tough place, but it's full of life. This is the real India, a place of natural beauty and strong spirit. Dhule is calling you! Farming is super important in Dhule. The region's fertile soil and favorable climate make it an ideal place for agriculture. The farmers here have been cultivating the land for generations, passing down their knowledge and techniques. They grow a variety of crops that not only feed the local population but also contribute to the economy. You'll see fields everywhere growing things like cotton, which is one of the main cash crops. Cotton farming is a significant part of Dhule's agricultural landscape, providing raw materials for the textile industry and employment for many. Peanuts and soybeans, these crops are essential for both local consumption and export. The farmers take great pride in their work, ensuring that each plant is carefully tended to from planting to harvest. The people work hard even under the hot sun. Their dedication and resilience are evident as they toil in the fields, ensuring that the crops are healthy and abundant. The community spirit is strong, with everyone pitching in during the busy seasons. But Dhule is also growing and changing. The landscape is evolving with new developments and infrastructure projects. The government and private sector are investing in the region, bringing in new opportunities and transforming the economy. Factories are popping up, turning raw materials into finished products. These industries are creating jobs and boosting the local economy. The shift from purely agricultural to a more industrialized economy is a significant change for Dhule. You'll hear the sounds of machines mixing with the calls of farmers. It's like a song of progress and tradition. This unique blend of old and new is what makes Dhule special. The harmony between agriculture and industry is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of its people. Dhule is finding a balance between its old ways and new ideas. The traditional practices are being preserved while embracing modern advancements. This balance is crucial for sustainable development and ensuring that the cultural heritage is not lost. It's a city that's not afraid of change but still remembers where it came from. The people of Dhule are proud of their heritage and are working towards a future that honors their past while looking forward to new possibilities. Dhule is doing great, adapting and becoming even stronger. The community's efforts are paying off and the city is thriving. With a strong foundation in agriculture and a growing industrial sector, Dhule is poised for a bright future. In Dhule, people find strength in their faith. The city is a tapestry of diverse religious practices, where every prayer and ritual is a thread that weaves the community together. From the early morning chants to the evening artis, the rhythm of life here is deeply intertwined with spirituality. Temples like Brahmadevraya and Sai Baba are like pillars of support for the community. These sacred spaces offer solace and a sense of belonging. They stand as testaments to the enduring faith of the people, providing a sanctuary where worries are left at the door and hope is rekindled. These aren't just places to pray, they're peaceful escapes. In the serene courtyards, one can find a moment of quiet reflection, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The tranquility here is palpable, offering a chance to reconnect with oneself and find inner peace. During festivals like Gudi Padwa, Diwali, the city transforms into a vibrant mosaic of colors and lights. Streets are adorned with decorations and the air is filled with the sounds of laughter and joy. These celebrations are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Dhule. And Ganesh Chaturthi, the city comes alive with music, yummy smells and traditional treats. The processions are a sight to behold, with beautifully crafted idols and enthusiastic participants. The aroma of freshly made sweets wafts through the air, adding to the festive spirit. Everyone joins in the fun, celebrating together. Families come together, friends reunite, and strangers become friends. The sense of camaraderie is infectious, spreading joy and happiness throughout the community. This is the real spirit of Dhule, a spirit that embraces life to the fullest. The energy is electric, and the enthusiasm is contagious. People dance with abandon, celebrating the essence of life and the bonds that hold them together. It's about community, shared history, and traditions. These events are not just about the present, they are a bridge to the past, connecting generations and preserving the cultural fabric of the city. The performances and rituals are a living testament to the rich history of Dhule. It's about the strong connections that bring people together. In every interaction there is a sense of warmth and belonging. People share stories, food and experiences, creating memories that last a lifetime. This feeling of togetherness is super important now more than ever. In a world that often feels fragmented, the unity and support found in Dhule are a beacon of hope. It's a reminder that no matter the challenges, we are stronger together. Dhule is like a walking museum. You can almost hear the echoes of empires from the past. We're walking in the footsteps of Maratha warriors, feeling their legacy. This place used to be a busy trading center, a strategic location. The Marathas, Mughals and British all left their mark here. Forts like Panchakot are still standing, reminding us of battles fought and won. The people of Dhule have been through a lot, but they've always bounced back. Their spirit has never been broken. They've come out stronger, their identity shaped by challenges. Dhule's history continues to inspire people today. Dhule knows how important it is to be connected. National highways are like lifelines, linking Dhule to the rest of India. You'll see trucks going day and night, keeping businesses running. The Dhule railway station is always busy, with people from all walks of life passing through. Dhule is also connected to the world through the Aurangabad airport. And guess what? The internet is here too. Dhule is no longer a remote place, but a part of the global network. The people here have access to the same opportunities as anyone else. To succeed in today's world, you need knowledge and skills. Dhule knows this and is serious about education. You'll find lots of schools and colleges here. North Maharashtra University is a famous place of learning. Engineering colleges, medical colleges, and management institutes are preparing the leaders of the future. Students here are eager to learn. They understand that education is the key to a brighter future. They're learning to be resilient, resourceful, and to value community. These lessons will help them become amazing leaders someday. Dhule is investing in its future, one student at a time. Dhule is a beautiful city, a place to enjoy nature and history. Nestled in the northwestern part of Maharashtra, this city is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of cultural heritage and natural beauty. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Dhule has something for everyone. Among the fields and factories are hidden gems waiting to be explored. The countryside is dotted with quaint villages, lush green fields and winding pathways that lead to unexpected discoveries. It's a place where the old and new coexist harmoniously, offering a glimpse into the region's rich agricultural heritage. Panchakot Fort offers stunning views of the countryside. This historic fort, perched atop a hill, provides a panoramic view that stretches as far as the eye can see. The fort itself is a testament to the architectural prowess of ancient times, with its sturdy walls and strategic location. The Chandrapur Jain Temple is a work of art with intricate carvings. Each carving tells a story, reflecting the rich cultural and religious history of the region. The temple is not just a place of worship, but also a marvel of craftsmanship that attracts art enthusiasts and spiritual seekers alike. The Saptashringi Temple is a pilgrimage site where faith and nature come together. Nestled amidst the hills, this temple is dedicated to the goddess Saptashringi. Pilgrims from all over the country visit this sacred site, seeking blessings and solace. The journey to the temple is as rewarding as the destination itself, with scenic views and a serene atmosphere. It's a bit of a climb to the top, but totally worth it. The steps leading to the temple are lined with lush greenery and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. As you ascend, you'll feel a sense of peace and anticipation, knowing that a spiritual haven awaits you at the top. Standing before the goddess, you'll feel a sense of peace. The temple's interior is serene and filled with the fragrance of incense and the sound of devotional chants. It's a place where you can connect with your inner self and experience a moment of tranquility. These are just a few of the amazing things you can find in Dhule. The city is brimming with historical landmarks, scenic spots, and cultural treasures that are waiting to be discovered. From ancient temples to modern attractions, Dhule offers a diverse range of experiences for every traveler. Take your time, explore, and discover its hidden treasures. Wander through its narrow lanes, interact with the locals, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of life that Dhule has to offer. Every corner of this city has a story to tell, and every moment spent here is a journey into the heart of Maharashtra. Dhule is a city of beauty and history. Its charm lies in its simplicity and the warmth of its people. Whether you're here for a short visit or a long stay, Dhule will leave an indelible mark on your heart, making you want to return again and again. The real strength of Dhule lies in its people. It's a super diverse city, a mix of cultures. Maharashtrians, Gujaratis, and people from all over India live here. Walk down the street and you'll hear a mix of languages. It's about shared values, traditions, and stories. The people here are known for their hospitality. Despite their differences, they share a strong bond. They're united by their love for Dhule and their resilience. Dhule embraces diversity, building a better tomorrow. Get to know the people here and you'll experience the true heart of this city. Dhule isn't just surviving, it's thriving. This city, with its strong roots, is reaching for the stars. Ancient temples stand alongside modern factories. Dhule is a testament to the spirit of its people. It's a city that deserves to be on the map. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Dhule is out there waiting to be discovered. Go explore its hidden gems and see the rise of this incredible city.